Hello guys, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to discuss a few more rules of nouns. As I have done one video on rules of nouns already, so this is a continued part of that. So let's see few more rules of nouns. So the very first rule for today is nouns as singular and plural in forms may have different meanings. Let's try to understand this. The word wood is a noun. When we use a wood in singular form, it represents a material. Means wood is a material. Like if I say, the stable is made up of wood. I hope you can understand that here wood is acting as a building material for the table. But when this wood is we use in plural form with an s with it, that means woods, we actually mean a forest, and forest is not a material. So here we can see that when we use wood as a singular, meaning is different, but when we use woods means in a plural form, meaning is different. Let's see one more here. Water. Water is in singular and is used as a material. Like, can you please give me a glass of water? But in plural form, waters, it means a sea, means a lot of water, right? So in singular, it is material, but in plural, it is sea, which is not a material, of course. Next one, see, good. Here, good is representing an advantage, behavior, or we can say use. Means I can say that your writing is very good. I am talking about a quality, advantage. But when I am using the same word in plural form, means goods, I mean to say some article or some objects. Like, can you please bring some goods from the market? So, these nouns show that they have different meanings in singular and plural forms. Coming to the next rule. The use of apostrophes with s is not correct in the case of non-living things because it is restricted only to living things like time, weight, distance, amount, or personified nouns. Let's see the examples and try to understand it. See, the table's wood. Actually, this sentence or this phrase is wrong because table is a non-living thing and we cannot use this apostrophe s with it. Looking at the second example, boy's hand. Yes, because boy is a living and we can use boy's hand, apostrophe s here. More examples can be a night's journey, a week's holiday, a meter's length. You can see that these words show either living things, time, weight, distance, amount, or such personified nouns. So, this rule is very important. Next one is, with compound nouns, apostrophes with s should be added only with the last word. Like mother-in-law's behavior. We cannot say mother's-in-law behavior. No, that would be wrong. Maid servant's absence. So, in these kind of nouns, s should be at the last word. Look at the next one. Two nouns in the possessive case denote a plural form. When apostrophes with s is used with one noun, it expresses singular form. See, Sheila and Rohit's father means the father of Sheila and Rohit. But if I say Sheila's and Rohit's fathers are meeting today, means that father of Sheila and father of Rohit. The main thing to understand is that in the first sentence, Sheila and Rohit's father means the father is same person. But in the next sentence, we cannot say that the father is same person. Means Sheila's father is some other person and Rohit's father is some other person. Now see the rule 3. Rule 3 says noun after preposition is repeated in singular form only. If I say word for word, the sentence will be correct. But we cannot use words for words. Like door to door, he was roaming door to door. But we cannot use doors through doors. So, we generally do these mistakes. Nouns after preposition is repeated in singular form only. We can see one more example of it. Hour after hour. And we cannot use hours after hours. Also, we cannot use hours after hours as any kind of like these are in plural. So, the next and the last tool of today's video is two adjectives denoting different meanings and qualifying the same noun are considered plural and are used with plural verbs. Like cultural and social life in India are changing. Can you see this verb are is representing a plural? Means cultural and social adjectives qualifying the noun that is life in India are considered as a plural here. Now, summer and winter vacation are compulsory in our schools. Can you see this are and hence we are using as plural. So these were some basic rules in which we generally do mistakes. So this was it for today's video. For next video, keep learning, keep watching.